children, today let's start with chapter number 15, that is names of transport. We all go from one place to another, and by what we go? We go with the transport. We have different means of transport: land transport, air transport, and water transport. So Karthik was going for summer vacation with his parents to his native place near Kolkata where his grandparents are living. Karthik fathers called a taxi. वो taxi बुलाते हैं. Board the taxi and started for New Delhi railway station to check the train. So you have to write V for vehicle and C for those V's जो आपको villages में मिलते हैं और C जो आपको cities में मिलते हैं. Now moving by, Karthik saw hundred of vehicles running on the road. There were buses, cars, trucks, scooters, motorcycle, bicycle, auto rickshaw on the road. Some rickshaw and tongas were also seen. Karthik remembered that his grandfather saying how he had to travel on bullock carts, tongas when he was young. So Karthik asked his father why there was smoke everywhere. His father told him that vehicle runs on fuel and the fume of these fuels pollute the air. और वो क्या करती है? Air को pollute करती है. Right? These are the different vehicles you can see here that runs in the now traveled by train. The train comes to the platform and Karthik with his parents boarded the train. Karthik's fathers, while taking a sip of tea, told him how train had now changed. Earlier, train had steam engine. ठीक है, 3 टाइप्स ऑफ इंजन होते थे जिनका हम यूज करते हैं ट्रेन में: स्टीम इंजन, डीजल इंजन एंड इलेक्ट्रिक इंजन. स्टीम इंजन दे आर नॉट नाउ इन यूज. अब आप दिल्ली मेट्रो की अगर हम बात करें जो दिल्ली में रन कर रही है, हिज फादर्स इन्फॉर्म्ड अबाउट मेट्रो ऑफ कोलकाता. इट वाज द फर्स्ट सिटी, ये पहली सिटी थी इंडिया की जहाँ पे मेट्रो रेल आई थी. सो द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग कार्तिक एंड हिज फैमिली members reached Habra Junction. They took a taxi and went to their native place, Ambavati, nearly 20 kilometers away from Kolkata. While going by a taxi, Karthik saw a trap. जो क्या कर रहा था? Slowly track पे run कर रहा था. ठीक है, वो trap. Now moving in water. There are some means of transport that runs in water. So runs on water. Next day, Karthik visited Havra Bridge with his grandfather. There he saw boats. वहाँ पे उनको boats दिखाई देती है, ship दिखाई देती है. Grandfather told him that these ships were used to send goods to different countries. So ships and boats, what are they called? Water transport. Right? Water transport is one of the earliest and the cheapest means of transport. Goods that are bulky and heavy, they are usually sent across the sea. Ships, boats, steamers, they are the means of water transport. The place where people get off on a ship and goods are loaded and unloaded is called. Kolkata is a major city of India. Cargo ships, steamers and fishing boats all sail on the sea. So there are some submarines that travel under the water. They all are means of water transport. Then we have travel by air. It is the fastest and the expensive means of transport. So Karthik stayed with his grandfather for a few days. His father returned to Delhi earlier because of his office work. Both Karthik and his grandfather, वो एयरपोर्ट आता है उनको छोड़ने के लिए. When his father was taking about the cost of their ticket, they realized that it was the costliest. लेकिन fastest भी है, महंगा तो है, expensive तो है, लेकिन fastest भी है. From his grandfather, he knew that aeroplanes and helicopter are the means of air transport. ये carry करते हैं passengers को, goods को for long distances, and helicopter they are also do special work at the time of disaster and emergency. When his vacation was over, Karthik came back to Delhi with his mother again by train, and he understood about the different means of transport over it. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.